Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm in the Philippines right now, specifically in Clark City of Philippines. I'm with this group traveling and we are going to cover Philippines for the next 4 days. Mainly we are going to cover the Clark City as well as Cebu Island. We're staying at the Marriott Bonvoy Angeles City. It's pretty nice, simple, long travel day. Shower here. And the best part about the room is the view, because it looks directly onto the pool and has a pretty good skyline. On this trip, so we explored the night market, red light market, whatever it was in
night market.
Yeah,
night market.
And we tried authentic food, like specifically Korean food there.
We tried to try the food.
Thing is, unfortunately, okay,
there's nothing called being vegetarian in Philippines.
It's very hard to find vegetarian authentic food here. So when we tried that, people couldn't understand it. So
like no meat was yes meat basically.
Yeah. So whatever we ordered, there was some form of like non-vegetarian in it, and we just had to sit and pick at it and then eat what we could. But the food flavors were really good though. But that means we're still hungry. So now we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and do a haul. These flavored snacks, chocolate flavored snacks. I don't know, for some reason my brother picked this up. We got 2 flavors of soju. This is something we had wanted to try.
I've never had soju.
Actually, same.
And fun fact, this is the first time I'm having alcohol, and it's not illegal for me to be having alcohol.
But we have strawberry and we have peach, so let's see how that tastes. And we found these cute little lemon cheesecake squares. This seemed very interesting, so have to try it. And of course, M&Ms everywhere. Once again for my brother. That's the haul for the night. We have to go to that place again because it had so much, especially instant stuff.
The top thing on our to-do list right now is ube.
It's a kind of like a potato yam situation which I googled, but it's very famous flavor.
It's a what situation?
Potato yam. It's like I have a very, very long day tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Today we are heading to this tuning spa and resorts. That's one of the main reasons we actually ended up coming to this area to stay, because that resort is supposed to be amazing. It has hot springs and has different types of spa like mud bath, sand spa. Something really like different and interesting. So we are off to that. This was the view from my room. Yesterday it looked very different. It's very pretty. This is our ride for the day. Here at the hot springs, and the history here is so fascinating. This whole place was formed when the volcano erupted and left all this huge natural resource potential. Yeah, it was so therapeutic. The water was so hot.
Look at the fucking view.
The view is crazy. We have reached the second part of the tour. It's this mud bath massage place. So all natural mud and ash on our faces. Yeah, we finally gave in and wore the clothes that everyone is wearing. It is very comfortable.
We are part of the cult now.
It is ash. All of that is ash. It is basically Multani Mitti, but Philippines. The Puning resort was absolutely stunning, definitely an experience to have if you can make it. At first I was a bit skeptical about why have we come to Clark all the way just for this resort, but it's a very unique experience, very calming, very nice. But it made us so tired, so we just spent the afternoon chilling, and now we are going to SM Mall for some shopping since it's our last day in Clark, and tomorrow we fly to Cebu. But before that, there's a beautiful sunset happening, which I'll just show you guys. This is so cute. It's like a blind item of a Harry Potter character. We are in Manila because we have a catch a flight to Cebu. But everything is going wrong in this trip. Okay, our flight got delayed by a few hours. We have to wait like a whole day in Cebu, which was supposed to be there, was wasted. So we just roamed around in Manila for a bit, and now we have
30 minutes.
Yeah, that's it. So the whole day is kind of wasted in travel. I'm here in Cebu today. So we reached the hotel around 10 p.m. We spent the evening exploring Cebu city a little bit, and tomorrow is going to be the most like eventful day of the entire trip. We are going shark whale watching in Oslo, followed by canyon rearing in Kavasan Falls. I think that's what it's pronounced like, but it's going to be a whole day of full of water adventure activities, and honestly such a unique experience. So we have to get up really early for that, leave the hotel by 4 a.m. So I'm just trying to go get some sleep, and really excited about tomorrow.
Right now we are hiking to Kavasan Falls, and apparently we are supposed to like jump off the cliffs, is what we saw on
Apparently
YouTube.
our guide told us he will not let us do that, but we're going to find a way around it, so keep watching. This is extremely slippery and the water is so cold. This is so much harder than we expected. Simple swimming in a life jacket is not happening. The water is just pulling us in, and it's so cold.
I'm too much of a scaredy cat to be doing
But
this.
it's still such an adventure, it's so fun. We had a great day today doing all the water sports, but it's our last night in Cebu in Philippines at all. Tomorrow we have a flight, and we had an amazing dinner right now. It's such a great property, but we haven't had a chance to explore it at all. So lastly, we're planning to get up early tomorrow morning and try to do that before catching our flight. I just woke up to this view. I'm gonna go for one last swim before we have to check out, because the pool at this property looks absolutely insane. Since it has gotten a little bit sunny, the vibe is amazing here.